Hello everyone and welcome to another Java tutorial. My name is Matt the Tutor, and today we'll be going over an even bigger in-depth look into array lists because I think array lists are very powerful. So in this tutorial I'm going to be going over calling um, the array or let's say you have an array within an array, being able to call individual attributes from each one accordingly. So I'm gonna go over here and let me open up my one of the classes in which I have been working on for quite a while. So let's do this. So um, yeah, okay, so let me make a new project and let's call this array list parties. Alright. Okay, so just like in the other one, we're gonna make an array, right? So an array list, but we're going to need a party. Sorry, we're going to need a class. So let's just call it class party public party, and we're going to need a character, right? But we're going to do array list of character, and we're just call this party equals new array list. Okay, we just need to alt enter this, add import. Okay, so when we make a party, we're gonna need a string name and we're gonna need a party within parties. So let's actually do array list of a party. Actually, class grand party, and let's just call this GP and grand party, and in here we're going to need a party. Okay, and class party public party. Now this is how you make multiple constructors for one thing. You can either have a party string name with a character, right? Actually no, we're just gonna have a name. We're not gonna even set that. String name, and we're going to need an array list of array list of characters, and we're just gonna call this party equals new party, new array list. Okay, so once we have that, just set string. Oh, we already have a name. Sorry. This dot name equals name. For setting all this stuff up, it takes a while. Class character. We're just gonna do string name. That's it. Public character string name, and then we're going to do this dot name equals name. Okay, so now that we have all that, we're going to do grand party up here, gp dot add party. So now in each one we're going to need to have access to all the parties, right? So we need to display the parties, and we also need to display the character in each party if we want to. So how we're going to do that is public. Let's start from top, grand party to party, and that's it. So public display parties void, and we're going to need for all the parties in the grand party, we're going to do parties dot get name. We're gonna get the name. So that's OUT. Oh, frick. Okay. Party that. Okay, so that will print out the party, and let's do a party public display characters with a void. I know this is really boring because we're having to set all this up, but when we finish this, it'll get pretty interesting. So member with not parties, characters. Characters. Let's just put ch in party, and then character. Then parties is not members. Interesting. Oh, fail. It's ch. There we go. Okay, now I believe that should be good. Party display characters. Okay, so let's start making our grand party. So to make a grand party, we need a party. So let's first make our party. So let's do party main party goes new party, and we need to have a character in there. So let's just do new character. Matt, and then new character, new party. With our new party we just need a name. So let's just call this our main. Okay, and then that's why I made that. So we need public add to party void add to party, and we're gonna need a character, then party.add. And the reason why I'm doing another tutorial on ArrayList is because I'm gonna teach you how to remove characters while looping through the ArrayList, because normally you can't remove an array index while you're looping through it. It'll give you a concurrent modification error, which means in English terms that you are editing the array while you're looping through it. So shows I'm having an error. Okay, so let's do now main dot add to party a new character Matt, spell it right, and then we need our grand party gp equal to new grand party, and actually we don't need that. We'll set this there. Public add to party, actually add to gp party p and gp dot add p and void party p. There, grand party. And then in here I did it that way so that way I can add as many parties as I want, and I don't have to initialize a new GP every time I want to add a new party to it. So GP dot add to GP our main. So now if we display party, hopefully we should get it. GP display parties. And this is running. Okay, so you see we got party main. Now let's do this. Let's, every time we may have a party, let's display the characters in each party. So let's do character ch in each parties, and let's do c8 with ch system.out yeah, for each character in parties, right? Because that happens. Did I misspell this? Nope. Let's do. Oh wait, we already have that. So let's just do party and then parties dot display character. Alright, so that works now. So in party main member Matt. So actually let's do this. Member tab T. That way it indents it. That way we know how many members there are. So let's add another one. So let's do main dot add to party new character Mark. Okay, and that's all we need to do. Fail. I need to call display parties again. So now if we run this, we have party main member Matt, and then if we print it out again, party main member Matt and Mark. Now what happens if you want to remove something, right? But you don't know what the name, but you don't know what the index is, right? You just want to remove it by name. Well, all you have to do is this. Let's remove a character from our party class, right? So let's do public void remove from party, and we're going to need our string name. Okay, actually, not string name. We're going to need our character, and this is how we're going to do this. In our character class, we're going to do public void, actually, and we're going to return the character. Actually, no, we'll just do this. We're going to do a character. We're going to make a temporary character. Character ch actually temp equals no. Okay. So then we're going to go through our for loop for all the characters in our character array. So character ch in party lowercase. And we're going to do this. If our ch is dot, oh crap, ch dot name dot is equals our well, actually no, let's do our string. Yeah. Alright, so ch.name equals name. Then our temp is going to equal our ch. Else do nothing. Right? So if our temp does not equal null, then party dot remove our temp. Else could not remove the character you wanted. Okay, so that's an easy way to be able to remove a character without getting your concurrent modification error, because Java doesn't like it when you're editing the array that you're going through and removing stuff or adding stuff to it. So doing it this way is a safe way to do it. So now let's make it easy for ourselves, so that way we don't have to go through our party class. We just go through our grand party. So public remove character from party. I know that's a long thing. So what we're going to need is a string name, and we're also going to need our string for our party class. Because remember, our party has a name to it. Alright, void. So we need our character class, and we also are not character. We need our character name and our party name. So we're going to do two things. Character actually no, we're just gonna need a party equals null, and again we're gonna do kind of the same thing as the party. So for parties and that, so we're not gonna need that. We're going to do this. If parties dot name dot equals our party name, we're going to set our party to parties. Okay? If parties was not equal to party, if party is not equal to null, meaning that it got hit, then party dot remove from party our name, and then that in and of itself will return an error if nothing was hit. So else could not find party. So now that we have that, all we need to do is access our grand party and remove it from there, remove our stuff from there. So if we do gp dot remove, let's do mat, and from our party name let's do main. I believe I named it, yeah. So if we run this, oh, fail, string. So let's run this. Hopefully it worked. Okay, so we didn't get any errors. So all we need to do is put in here our statement saying that we removed it from the party. So SOUT found the party name, found the party, and in here found the name that we wanted. So found the party, found the name. So we run this, it says we found the party main and we also found the name Matt that we wanted to remove. So now if we go back up here and do gp dot display parties, we should see that all we have now is Mark. So that's pretty much the basis of how you make parties within parties, and most importantly, being able to access just that party through its name and being able to remove, I guess, the character just using its name. Because now we don't have to worry about indexes and stuff like that. We're doing this on our own. We're doing this manually. We're getting a party that equals null, right? It's not equal to anything, right? And we're going through the for loop, and if that party was found, we just set this temporary party variable to an actual existing party. And if it was found, then we do this. If party was not equal to null, meaning that it passed, the party was equal to a party, then now we do party.remove from party. Now what happens if we do this? Let's do Mike, right? Remove from party, move character from party. So we run this, we say could not remove the character you wanted. So it found the party main, but couldn't remove the character we wanted because Mark is not inside this member of main, right? So it gave us that error. Could not remove the character you wanted, because when we made a temporary character which equal to null, none of the characters inside this party had the name Mike, so temp stayed as null. When we did it, we did not remove anything from our party class because there was nothing to remove. There was no name by the name of Mike, so it just passed into the else. Could not remove the character you wanted. So if you don't know what ifs or else are, look at the if or else video. And if you're going to ask the question, oh, could we use switch statements? Not necessarily, because unless you have a switch statement only works if you know exactly how many characters you have in there or whatnot. You use an if statement, an else statement like this, if it's something that you don't know if it could be possible, true or not. So I guess that's pretty much it. That's one of the longer tutorials, 25 minutes. But I mean, as you saw, we first made our character class, then we made our party that's holding our characters, and then we made our grand party that's holding our party. And in the party, in the grand party, we're able to add to the grand party. We're able to display the parties while displaying the characters, and we're able to remove characters from the party in a safe and sure way that we won't crash our computer, or we won't get that nasty concurrent modification exception. Which at first, when I figured that out, I was like, great, what am I gonna do now? But then I thought, oh well, just set temp a character to a temp, and if that doesn't work, well, it's just a temporary variable. It's going to be thrown away at the end of the program. Um, after I run this, it's gonna be thrown away because we're going to be removing that temporary variable. So in the end, it's all good. Um, we did not get that concurrent modification error, and uh, we can add as many parties or characters as we want. So you can obviously make this much more sophisticated. You can add a name, you can add stats, which you can add an array of stats as well. But for now, this is pretty much all we need, or the basis of making, I don't know, a party with characters and stuff like that. It can even be for like computers and stuff. You can say, oh, a computer with whatever stats, and within those stats, or machines that make up the computer, you can have parts within that. So that's the basis. Well, not the basis. That's a pretty in-depth look at making array lists. So I'm probably not going to make any more array list tutorials unless you ask me for it, because all the tutorials I've been making about array lists should prepare you fully for whatever you're going to need. So I guess that's pretty much it. So please share. Let's see if we can get, I don't know, 5 shares or whatnot. Um, Subscribe and like. So have a good one, guys.